Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Um, it's for me. It's not about dismantling the system uh, um, or replacing. It's just giving me a context to work in. So I have created my system to make me comfortable and those around me comfortable with working with me. Um, and then in the midst of that comfort, have the latitude or the elasticity to expand on an idea or a concept, um, and what those components are or what they have developed into, have done so just organically. Me just thinking about things and pondering on it even before I do them. Um, uh, the root of everything is my faith, of course. And in that, the more I understand my way of life, we call Al Islam Deen al Islam, meaning the way of life. It's not just a religion, but it's a way that you operate as a human being. And in that, the more I understand about how God advises us to operate, because he gives us a choice. That's why I use the term advises us through the sacred Quran, the sacred text, that he gives us these choices, gives us these anecdotes and similes, and not just those, but also, you know, something specific that, you know, if you go XYZ way, then these are going to be the outcomes for it. So in in that, God meets you where you are. So I have found my way, and over years of being diligent and being an adherent to this way of life of Al Islam, it has allowed me to expand my breast, expand my thought process, my heart and my mind. When I say breast, meaning my heart, to be more pleasing to God. And that's the impetus for everything. I'm trying to please God. And I'll fall short all the time because that's the nature of humans as well. And God understands that. And in that, God just wants us to come back to Him and say, okay, I made a mistake. Help me to be better for the next test. And that is all in the work, all of it. That whole process right there is the bedrock of how I maneuver